It's Cost Finger, baby.
Oh, no. Keep the intro. Oh, my boy, you already know.
It's Cost Finger, baby.
I put the Adderall in my lean, in my mirror, bravado jeans. Hella rocks in my socks, hella guns in my brief. If a nigga moving wild, that's where he gon' see. All the wolves popping out the club. Tone 33, she say you just getting handsome. You a gorgeous little gangster. She like you always dripped up with Dior and all your diamonds decent. She like you slip the runner. I tell her work Rihanna, everything white Madonna. Only here select the diamonds. I always know how to ball, Brody wet it up if I make the call. He ain't gon' hesitate to shake it up, cause he know I got that nigga if he fall. I always know how to ball, Brody wet it up if I make the call. He ain't gon' hesitate to shake it up, cause he know I got that nigga if he fall. Adderall in my lane, bravado jeans, hella rocks in my sons, guns in my brief. That's where he gon' see, all the wolves popping out the cut. She say you gon' get handsome. You a gorgeous little gangster. She like you always dripped up with the hood and always down the
Be in control of your own shit and your own creations. You know what I'm saying? Like, be a creator. Like, I feel like when you create your shit and you know what you want, don't let nobody get in between you and your creation. If you want something, it gotta be that. It ain't because you know. Nobody can tell you, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't thinking about the masses yet. I'm thinking about my hood. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, nah, I gotta drop another one for the hood. As long as you ain't on no sucker shit, you'll be alright. You good. Real niggas gon' vibe with real niggas. You know what I'm saying? You ain't who, you ain't winning in this shit.